Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Spelling Lesson 6. LO for today is to recognise and spell the prefix D and the prefix re. Okay, to be successful in this lesson, I am going to ask you to read and understand your spelling words, to be able to read and spell your spelling words, and to know the meaning of the prefix and how it changes a word. Okay, I hope you're ready. You need your whiteboard and your pen today, so I hope you have those with you. Okay, let's start with some peer assessment partner talk. First of all, I want you to tell your partner these three things. Okay, so you're just telling your partner. You can whisper in your partner's ear and then your partner can whisper in your ear. The first one, what is a prefix? So tell your partner, what is a prefix? What do you think a prefix is? Tell your partner quickly. Okay, let's have a look at the definition to see if you know what a prefix is. Okay, so a prefix is letters added to the beginning of a word that changes the meaning of the word. Okay, so if your partner said that or something similar, so if he said beginning of the word and changes the meaning of the word, I want you to put a tick on your partner's whiteboard for me. That would be equal to 1 class dojo or 1 house point. So you are going to tick your partner's whiteboard if they said what a prefix is. Okay, so just a tick there. So your teacher fixed mean. The prefix Whisper to your partner, what does the prefix mean? On. Okay, so let's have a look to see if you were right. The prefix means not. Unable means not able. Again, I want you to put a tick on your partner's whiteboard. So just a tick on your partner's whiteboard if they got that answer correct. And question 3. Again, you're whispering the answer in your partner's ear. What does the prefix dis mean? Dis. We did this as part of last week's spelling. So what does the prefix dis mean? Whisper in your partner's ear. Okay, let's have a look to see if you know that answer. Dis means apart, away, or not. Okay? Apart, away, or not. Disable means you are not able to do something, same as unable. Okay, so if you got all 3 of those right and your partner's given you 3 ticks, well done to you. That's 3 dojos or house points for you. Okay, let's do another quick warm up to make sure we definitely got our brains working. I'm going to give you 50 seconds on the clock. Let's get our clock ready. And you are going to give me in 50 seconds 5 words with the prefix un. Okay, 5 words with the prefix un. 50 seconds starting now. 2 minutes 50 seconds on the clock, but we're still going to do 50 seconds. Five words with the prefix un. You've had half your time. 10 seconds. And stop. Okay. All right, so I hope you have 5 words on your whiteboard. Just have a look to see if you have got 5. And here are some of the words you could have had. So let's read these words together. These are some of the suggestions. There are more. Okay, you could have had undo, unfit, unzip, untie, unkind, unlike, unfair, untrue, unseen, unwell. Here we have unused, unknown, unreal, unpopular, unroll, uncommon, unclean, unlimited, unhappy, and uncertain. They are all words that you could have chosen out of your 5. So if you got 5 words correct, and just have a little look, if you use these words, check your spellings. Make sure you check your spellings. If you manage to get 5, give yourself a tick on your own whiteboard. Okay, so today we are learning 2 new prefixes, and they are the prefixes D and re. Okay, so here are your spelling words. All right, so in group A, you have the root word and then re added, the root word and re added. And in groups B and C, you have words with the prefix D and words with the prefix C. Just take a minute with your partner and discuss what you think re and D mean. Okay, just discuss what you think it means. Okay, I'll give you a minute on the clock, starting now. Okay, that's half your time. If you're not sure, maybe have a look at the root words in group A and see how the word changes when the prefix is added. 15 seconds. Okay, and that is your time up. All right, so let's take a look at the definitions. What does D or re mean? Okay, so let's start with the prefix D. Okay, it could mean removal of or from something. So deforest, that's something we know about because we have been learning about the rainforest in English and geography. So deforestation is to take away the forest. Okay, it could also mean reversal or opposite. So decode is to undo a code. To decompose, compose is put something together. Decompose is take it apart. And it could also mean to depart. So even the word depart has the departure has the prefix on it. So decamp means to leave where you are and go somewhere else. So leave, reverse, or remove. Okay, those are the definitions of the prefix D. Okay, let's come down here to the prefix re. Okay, so re means return of something. Okay, so you're returning. Again, return. It's in the word there in the definition. Okay, so go back to something previous. So to restore, restoration is if you restore an old house, it means you put it back to how it once was. If somebody knocks down your tower of Lego, you need to rebuild it. rebuild. And to renew is to make something new again. Okay, it can also mean a repetition. So to do something again. So to recopy is to do something again. Okay, just have a look at those words for a second. If you, for example, review something, you are doing it again. So the root word would be view, and if you're going to view it again, you add the re, to review it. Okay, so that would be to do something again. You could also have the root word visit, and if you were going to visit again, then you are revisit. You revisit the previous place you went to. Okay, so those are the definitions. Take a look at the words there, see if they make more sense now. We know what the definitions are. So here you can see clearly with the root words, you're going to take a turn. To return is to do it again or to give it back. If you play a video on YouTube once, then you are playing the video. If you have watched it lots of times, you are replaying the video. Okay, so that is doing it again. If you are going to, let's say, deactivate your Education City account. To activate it would be to open it, to start it, to begin. Deactivate would be to stop it, to desist. So D is to remove or take away. Okay, so we have a task now. You can spend the last 15 minutes of your lesson completing your task. So at the table, read through your spelling words. They're going to be up on the board for you. And just look up any definitions that you don't know, any words you don't know the meaning of. Look them up in your dictionary. So this is going to be on the board for you. And you need to go back to your table and write the definitions of any words you don't know. So if you do not know what the word debug means, you're going to look it up in the dictionary. Of course, you are going to start by opening the dictionary on the page D. If you don't know what the word recycle is, then you are going to open the dictionary on the page for R. And then you're going to look up the RE words until you find recycle. Okay, you've got 10 minutes now to complete the task. If you've looked up all the ones you don't know, stay on the same page and see if there are any other D or RE words that you might want to use in your writing. Okay, good luck with your spelling test, Year 3. Good luck.